cardiac muscle, a powerful pump, you know, so the body receives blood where it's designed to go. Check this.
The heart has 3 layers, all surrounding it at once. Sits inside the pericardial fibrous sac, keeping everything wrapped up. Got 4 valves, they know what to do. They work with automaticity without you. Got 4 chambers and a septal wall. Right side is O2 depleted, left side is oxygen rich. Average 60 to 100 beats. The SA note keeps the pace indeed. Palpitates 60 and below. The AV note is trying to steal the show.
We got superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. Pulmonary arteries where flowing of oxygen is carried through the lungs. Capillary gas exchange going through pulmonary veins. Odor-rich blood flowing left side of the atrium where blood's holding down to the ventricles. Contract off the going past the aortic arch to the aorta, perfusing the head, upper and lower body.
Epicardium is the outermost layer of the heart. Myocardium in the middle is the thickest layer of all. Endocardium, the innermost layer of the heart wall, made up of special tissue known as cardiac muscle.
Oh, the right coronary, left coronary, and the circumflex is all in the game. Coronary sinus on the posterior side, collecting blood from the great cardiac vein. The cardiac conduction
System,
the Bachman bundle,
bridge,
and the right bundle,
bridge,
the left bundle,
bridge.
the internodal pathway, the